Hello folks, in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a users in Office 365 and assign customer engagement license so that the user will sync with the customer engagement plan. The very first thing, you need to have a global admin role to create a user in Office 365. Here are some steps we need to follow while creating the users in Office 365. Go to Office 365 Admin Center by clicking the Admin Center gear icon in Office 365, and the next, go to Users, click on Active Users and select Add a User. Then you need to set up the basics like first name, last name, username, password, and etc. And assign the product license to the newly created users. Then you need to choose the role, either it may be global admin role or user with no admin center access role. And finally, review the settings, product license, and click on Finish. Now let's see the demo. How do we create a users in Office 365 Admin Center? Now we are in Office 365 portal. Click on admin icon. This is the user management tile. From here also you can add a user by clicking on add user. I am going with the user drop down option. Click on active users. Double click on add a user. Enter the first name, the last name, here you have an option auto generate password. It means the password will be automatically generated for you, and you can create a custom password. Click on next. By default the customer engagement plan is enabled. Click on next, and if you want to add the role as admin center access, you can choose this option. If you choose this option, you will be having the unlimited access. I am going with the user with no admin center access, and here there is a profile info, the basic info of the user you can choose to enter. Click on next. Review the settings, click on finish adding. Now the user is added to Office 365. Let us try to check in Dynamics 365 application whether the user has been synchronized or not. Okay, click on settings, advanced settings, click on settings, click on security, click on users. You need to choose enable users from this view. Click on D letter, click on refresh. Not yet synchronized. It will take a while to synchronize. Now the user has been synchronized with the Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. Let us try to access the Customer Engagement with the newly created user credentials. Just I am opening the other browser. So let me type portal.office.com, hit enter. Let me copy the username, paste it over here, enter the password, hit enter. If you want to stay sign in, click on yes or else no. This is the Office 365 portal, and if you want to access the Dynamics 365, just click on this Dynamics 365 app. We have not given any role to this user. Let us access through URL. I'm just copying this URL, pasting it over here, hit enter. So this is the error we have got, as we have not given any security role to the user. It means we have not assigned the security role to user. Let us assign the security role to the user Select this user, click on manage roles, give the security role as sales manager. Let us refresh once. Refresh the page. Now you can access the application. To access the application, the newly created user must have at least one security role. Then only he may able to access the customer engagement. This is how you can create the users and assign the security role. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.